Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another Hoodies. And today is the day. Listen, I'm tired of talking about them, tired of looking at them on blog posts. I just wanted to get this shoe in hand so I could rest easy and know I would have it. And I ain't gonna lie at all to you guys, I had to pay to play, but the way this release is looking right now, I was probably gonna have to pay to play regardless. Anyways, it's time. It's time. Go ahead and set those bad boys right there. And you know, it's time. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and get into these joints. Now this shoe right here, we've been speculating, I've been talking about on the Heater Hype. I was looking for my gold knife for a good hour, couldn't find it, so we're back to the old knife for at least this video. And this shoe right here, I'm gonna take it off of there for 2 seconds, is one that is causing a lot of hoopla. Yeah, a lot of hoopla in the streets currently. Now we're gonna definitely get into, you know, how you can get this shoe, ways to get it, what's dropping, what time. Basically, I'm gonna try to give you as much info about this shoe and the drops around it as possible. And possibly get into some of the other shoes from this same, I guess, collection would say. But before we get into all the info and all that good stuff, I do wanna, you know, come on now. I do wanna get into my blessings and you know what? What could that be? What could that be on the inside of that box? We flip this side open. We flip that side open. Ah, it's a 6 box, but is it black or is it? Looks green. Now what pair of Jordans? What pair of 6s could be green coming out very soon? Well, I would ask you that question, but I know you already know the deal. Looking at the box all over, we have the green on the top. You got your red Jordan Jumpman. If I get a little bit closer in on the camera, because you already know I'm gonna do the review and get all the B-roll, but for right now, we just chilling first looks. Travis Scott logo, another Jordan logo, and then as we switch to the other side, we also have the Cactus Jack logo as well as the Jumpman or Air Jordan logo. Now, I already know what you guys are wondering, and I already know what the haters are about. They're speeding to the comments right now to comment this. Where is the box label? Now, one thing you guys always have to remember is that since this shoe is early, it is a tier 0 release, and we don't want to mess up the plug's plug. Some things have to be taken off the box. Now, I do have the label still, it is inside the box, but to make sure everybody's business can still move smoothly, I don't want to go ahead and blast it out there. Just know I do have it on the inside, but let's get into the box and yeah, I know y'all figured that the Travis Scott stand would try to get his hands on these early, and I did, but I had to pay to play. Not proud of it, but at the end of the day, if you guys haven't noticed, I don't buy a lot of BS releases because I want to save my money for the stuff that I really want, and that allows me to have some extra cash to throw around if I do want to spend money on a pair that I feel like I'm gonna need that delayed W on, especially after how every other release has gone. Oh, and one more thing, because I forgot to mention it, if you miss out on this shoe, I'm working on something for you. That is all I can say right now. Just make sure you're subscribed, make sure you finesse the bell, drop a like on the video, just stay tuned, pay attention. Okay, back to the video. Like I said, I can't say much more than that, I'm sorry. But let's not talk about all that L talk, bruh. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe itself. Place this right here. Let me take the other one out of the box, and I know the yellow laces don't really make sense, but I'm really digging that mustard yellow. Those might have to go in. Is there anything else on the inside of here? No, it's just black paper, other stuff, and yes, I have already removed the tag. So, if there's nothing else in here to see, I don't know, quality check labels and all that, let's go ahead and toss that back on the top. And you got that olive and red all over the upper. Place this in the back. Place that guy right there, and let's talk about these bad boys right here. I'm gonna get a little bit closer up if y'all don't mind. So this is the Cactus Jack or the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6. Now, it will be dropping on Nike on October 11th. That is Friday, and this is via a draw. So you enter, you usually have, 3 to 10 minutes to enter in the draw. It's a random pick, and if you are randomly selected, you get the shoe automatically for retail, which is $250 for this pair, which is a hefty retail. But when you consider that there is a resale price on these, if you don't like them, you can just, let them go. As far as first impressions go, they're just as good as I thought they would be ever since I seen them. You got Cactus Jack on the back of the right side heel. Let me go ahead and pop open this stash pocket real quick. I don't know what I'm gonna fit in the stash pocket. I have no clue, but I'll figure something out. Something will go in there. As far as extra laces go though, you do get this black pair. You also get this mustard yellow. The whole upper on this is a nice green suede all over the upper. Got the unfinished tongue. These joints are super choked up because they're straight out the box, but the unfinished tongue as well. I do like that on the midsole. Instead of it being a pure white down here, it's kind of more of an eggshell color on some of the ridges on the sole. And you guys know that the bottom of this sole does glow. So right here, I should be inserting some B-roll of the glow. This is definitely a dope shoe. You already know it's going to be hyped to the max because it's a Travis Scott release, plus it's on the Air Jordan 6. Does have Nike Air on the inside, and it is a green or a white colorway. Mine is a size 12. I also like that they have the clear Porsche wing back here for the 6. Now, you guys already know that I'm going to be dropping a full review on this shoe, and that should be dropping tomorrow. I definitely want to get it out before the shoe drops, and I definitely want to wish you guys the best of luck to secure this pair because I already knew how hard it was going to be. If you guys, and I guess we can get into some of the release info for this shoe. Like I said earlier, Nike is going to be at 10 a.m. EST on Friday. Now, if you're looking for these at any foot sites or anything like that, you guys can look at this map right here. Now, this is the map for Foot Action, and I believe all you got is Chicago and LA, somewhere out in California. So out of every Foot Action in the US, there are 2 getting this shoe right here. Now, locally by me, I believe there may be only 1 boutique that could possibly get this shoe. And unless they do a raffle, I won't know until Saturday. If they do post on Saturday, I will try to go get another pair because the pockets might need a little bit of repairs after this joint right here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the box down here so I can keep the shoes in view while we talk about some of the other stuff. Now, also dropping, let me scoot back a little bit so you guys can see me a little bit more properly. Now, also dropping with the 6 will be a full-on clothing collection. Now, you got a t-shirt, you have 2 hoodies, 2 pairs of pants, and a pair of shorts. And honestly, everything is very clean. I guess my least favorite thing would probably be that black t-shirt. Everything is kind of like this wash suede olive or gray color. Let's hop to the hoodies first. You have these 2 hoodies. You have the olive green as well as the gray. Either one is going to be fire. And remember that all of this stuff will be via the draw. Even the clothing will be randomly picked. But also remember to not forget about your local boutiques. But now let's go ahead and get back to the clothes. Now, hopping off of the hoodies, you also have the shorts, which are all over washed olive green. You have the cactuses on fire, very clean, kind of styled like a traditional Jordan flat pair of shorts. Now, the cargo pants, in my opinion, are very fire. You have the gray and black version of it as well as that olive and black color. Now, I feel that they could have done without the big Jordan logo on them, but at the same time, they are Jordan pants, but I feel like they could have done without that. But both of these pairs of cargo pants are pretty ill in my opinion. I like the multitude of pockets. Somewhat minimal Jordan brand logoing as well definitely helps these pants. And then last up, and my least favorite, would be the all over black shirt. I can't even remember really what it looks like. I just know it has the Cactus Jack logo. Believe it has Michael Jordan on the front as well, but that's definitely not my favorite out of the pack. But other than that, I really like everything that's dropping. And one more thing before you comment, yes, I know that there's also this tee right here. As of right now, it isn't on Nike sneakers as something that will be dropping. I'm sure it's gonna be dropping either soon or with the collection. Just right now, it's not loaded up on Nike sneakers at all, but just know that this shirt does exist and more than likely it will drop alongside everything else. Overall, clothing is fire. So listen, this is just my first impressions, a first look at the brand new Cactus Jack Travis Scott Air Jordan 6. I was tired of talking about them on Heater Hype, saying how much I want them. Okay, enough talk. They're here. So with that being said, man, that is it. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blase, blot, of course. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. They're right here. Yes. Hello. Yes, Travis. LaFleur. Yes. Yeah, the 6s came in. I'm gonna need them for a little bit cheaper next time, but they came in. And I'm gonna see you guys on that next video. Y'all let me know, are you gonna be going for the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 6? I mean, I know you're gonna be going for the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 6. And I'm probably gonna put a little insert in the beginning of the video, but if you do miss out, I am working on something for you guys. That's really all I can say right now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video though. Much love. I am out of here, man. Peace.